Hi, I'm Kelsey, and today I'm going to be talking about a youth mentor, specifically for the Embark Behavioral Health, um, organization, I guess is what it would be called. The specific one I looked at was for Montana. Um, I don't know, I just thought that one was really cool. They have different offices around the country, but the specific one I looked at was in Montana. Just to start off, the work environment, I just wanted to talk about that. So they have about 1,001 to 5,000 employees, so it's a pretty big organization. They their work hours, it says they're 24 hours, 7 days a week facility, and so I didn't see like what specific hours or how long you would work or like what days and things like that. Um, it didn't really list it online, but it did say it's a 24/7 facility. And so I guess once you get the job, you can talk about that with the employees, but what was online, it didn't really explain that. But this organization looks super interesting. They help youth and different ages as well, but mainly the one I was looking at was for the youth. And that one, they help them to become better leaders, to have more independent lifestyles, to help them to have better life skills, lifestyles. I kind of already said that, but they want the youth to have a better life initially and in the end. And I really thought that was cool. So you're going to be working with youth that have hard lives, that have hard family lives, that have peers that could have encouraged them to do things that weren't that good. Also, who have mental health struggles. And so you're going to be helping youth of all different backgrounds. And so I just thought that was really cool that you'll be able to do that to help them to grow and to have a happier life. That's initially what we're meant to be here on the earth, is to have a happier life. And so I thought that was really cool that I could be of help to them. Some of the benefits include like dental health, supplemental life, disability insurance, mental health care for employees, which I thought was really fascinating. They also have flexible spending account, 401k, retirement plan. I'm looking at my list because there's so many benefits, so I wanted to make sure I listed them all. They also give you free lunch and snacks while you're at work. They give you on-the-job training. They have professional development for employees. They have different locations throughout the U.S., so you could look at different locations that would be a better fit for you. So yeah, they have a lot of benefits while working here. Some of the job tasks, I kind of explained it earlier, but was to help youth. It says helping youth learn healthy boundaries as well as better lifestyle and life skills. And so that's the main focus, is to help them. Also, you'll be helping them get to their activities. You could be transporting them to different activities or different appointments. So you could be taking them to different medical appointments, things like that. Because some people, I believe, live at the center that you are at, and so, or at least are there for a little while, and so you'll be helping them with those types of things. And it looks different day to day because there's different patients have different needs, and so you'll be helping them maybe with like mental health needs. You'll be helping them with, I'm not sure. There's just so many. It's a broad spectrum, and so there's so many different tasks that you could be doing daily with those patients that are living there or visiting there. Also, the education you need at least a college education is what it said, or the equivalent. And then you also will need at least 2 years working with youth or outdoor recreation. You're going to be outdoors doing fun things with the youth, and so you need to know that. And lastly, the salary. So online for this specific job, it said $16.85 per hour, but it could depend on what state you live in, what employer you have. Online, when I looked up, it said like the max is like $41,000 a year, $26,000 a year is the minimum. So just do what you will with that. But those are my findings. Thank you.